Hi everyone, welcome back to Crochet Rocks, and this is a bit of happy mail I wanted to show you. Now I've never heard of this before, so I was quite excited when I saw this, and it's called Solid and Marl. That's the company, and I saw this little advert pop up for it on Facebook, and as you guys know, I have lamented long and hard that I never order anything from Facebook, but it was quite intriguing. So I set out to find the company myself, and I've ordered this. And now this is crocheted jewellery with silver thread. I'm going to have to break the seal. It doesn't matter to see, it's mine. So here it is, and I've not actually looked in this before, but wow. Now this is what you can make. It's like a silver necklace, and it does up like this, like it's a big choker. And I guess this is the pattern, but it shows you how to make it. And that's what it will kind of look like when it's done. You can either have it longer like that or shorter like this. And I don't know what to expect. I really don't. This is the silver thread. And sorry if I loomed up spectacularly on you there. So this is it. This is the, I'll show you on the other side. It's really fine. Obviously you'd expect it to be fine, but there's, you can just see it coming through there, but it's quite shiny silver thread. So what else is in here? Findings, which is what they call all those little bits and pieces, and a little velvet kind of pad. So inside here are all the little chains and fixings that you'll need to make this. And in here is the pattern, and I was really intrigued by it. And you know what, I forgot I ordered it. Can you believe it? But I did. I actually forgot that I ordered this, and it says simple silver crochet necklace kit. So you're making it with this really shiny silver thread, and that is what it will look like. I'm not really keen on these big bulky item jewelries, but I don't know, something about it caught my attention, and I thought I'd order it, and I will either make it or I'm sending it to someone as happy mail, or I might even do a giveaway for it. How about that? It says you get, in the little thing, you get you need a 3mm crochet hook, 2 silver plated jewellery clasp ends, 1 silver plated jewellery clasp, 4 silver plated jump rings, and 2 silver plated chains. So that is included in this kit. So there's meant to be a 3mm crochet hook. Oh look, there it is. I found it, fell out the box. There we go. So obviously I don't need that, so I have several, and it's just the bog standard kind of, do you remember the old Millwood ones, like grey? That's kind of what that is. So wow, they actually give you everything you need to make this necklace. Isn't that intriguing? So, oh, there's some more here actually. No, that came out of my other piece of happy mail, which was some knitting needles. But wobble, sorry. In my excitement, I'm hitting the camera. So yeah, that's the introduction. I'll turn the light off. It says, thank you for buying this Solid and Marl jewellery kit. In this kit, you will find the jewellery, components and yarn you need to make this lovely necklace. This includes a very special real sterling silver covered yarn. The yarn is made with 12 strands of real silver wrapped around cotton cores, making it a very luxurious and precious yarn. Well, there, it's actually got real silver on it. That kind of tells me why I paid that much for it. I can't remember how much it was now, but I want to say it was like either 20 or 30 pounds. I can't remember, but it intrigued me so much I had to get it. So this tells you how to do it. These bits here. And then there's a picture, so that it's obviously not very difficult because that's the pattern, not massive. So yeah, got all my little bits. Got the yarn, which is silver, actual real silver thread. So, wow. And this was what comes in. Now there are others. There are other ones. If you go on their website, you'll see it. It's just called Solid and Marl. M-A-R-L. There we go. Solid and Marl. And .com. That says solidandmarl.com. And there are other bits and pieces on there to have a little look at, but it was just this one. I saw the ad pop up and I thought, you know what? That is intriguing. I like the way it's packaged as well. So if you're buying this as a gift for somebody, I've kind of totally dismantled it. And the little thing that keeps it fresh as fill out, you know, the crystals. So when you open it up, it comes like this, and it's all nice and well presented in the black velvet pouch, and you get your findings. See, I bet you didn't know I knew that they were called findings, did you? And the thread, the yarn, and the pattern and stuff. That's really cool. I like that. So, what do you think? Because I was looking, I think, predominantly for things to sell on my website when it's up and running. And that's how I kind of found this, because I was really looking for intriguing and different things. But obviously, this company sell their own, so, you know. I'll turn my light off now. I wonder why I have this kind of pink vibe under my chin. So yeah, really, I don't know if it's an easy pattern or not. What do you think? Do you think it might be a nice gift or something for someone? Not very big package, I know, but obviously it just makes a necklace. And there are a lot of people that make jewellery. They make earrings, you know. Granny D wears some that Tina made, and so there, you know, people do wear crochet jewellery. Personally, I can't wear big earrings. I've not got the right neck to pull off big earrings. I can do little studs, and I can even do kind of big studs. You know, I can't do hoops because my ears, when they were pierced, they were slightly wonky, so they do this. They're like the old pictures you see of like the gypsy earrings. Like, yeah, they flay out. But wow, I'm really impressed actually. I don't know if I want to actually tackle it myself or send it to someone or what. So I'm still thinking about that. Well, I'll have a think, and if I do tackle it, I will show you what it comes out like. If not, it will be a giveaway or a happy mail. Not quite made my mind up yet. But yeah, and it took a while to arrive actually. I guess, I suppose, about a month, I'd say. So if you do want to order these, especially if they're like little Christmas gifts, getting my mouth around these words today. If they're like little Christmas gifts or something you're thinking of, I'd do it now if I were you. Say 3 to 4 weeks perhaps to for them to arrive, and there are others to choose from. So thanks for watching. Stay safe, everyone. Take care, and bye for now.